Hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we're doing an unboxing and assembling the Joetisserie for the Kamado Joe. I cannot wait to show you what it looks like, and then future videos we'll be doing a series on different cooks on it, so let's get going. All right guys, I have taken out the main package here from the box. We'll put this down, show you what comes in it. You've got your main base here. Lift that out, show you what that looks like, and then we'll slowly assemble this as we go here. And from what I've seen, you bring it as close as you can to the front here. And then we've got also the power source, comes in a little nice box here. And it always goes on the left side here where it just simply assembles like that. And we'll get that plugged in here in a moment. And then also comes with these two little spits here that will go onto a rod and then obviously stick whatever meat you have cooking. So, and it also comes with a rod as well. So I'm going to bring you in closer and we will assemble these two parts and then also get this plugged in and kind of talk about what that looks like. All right guys, now that we've got the Joetisserie base on, you'll want to make sure that you got the right outlet. This is 120 volt, 3-pronged cord, all set, easy to go. There's a power switch that's really easy on this side. I'll show you a clip of what that looks like here in a moment. And then all you got to do is take this rod. I want to point out a few things. There's a squared off end and then there's a pointy edged end, and the squared off end goes on the left side here, and then there's screws on these barbecue spits, and as you're putting it in you'll want to make sure that it's loosened so that you can get real close depending on what you're cooking, and then you'll tighten it just like this, and then we'll place the squared off end on this side here. See if I can get it on there really smooth. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring you in to show you what it looks like closer. Notice is that these barbecue spits are right in the middle for the most part, and depending on what you're cooking, what I notice immediately is there's only so much length from this rod from here to get in to get placed properly on this side and here. And so you'll, as you learn how, and as I'm learning with the Joetisserie, I'll navigate kind of what the right spot is depending on the meat you're cooking. If it's smaller, obviously these goes in further, and then you still got plenty of room around this base. Also, I'm not lighting it up today, but then we would fill up the charcoal here, and I've seen this done a few ways where you can use a charcoal divider and bank it on one side and just allow it to cook. And then when you want to get a nice sear, you take out that divider and then you kind of spread out the hot charcoal throughout the center of your charcoal basket, and then the drippings, whatever you're cooking, is just kind of the aroma is coming back on the meat. So that's one little tip I observed as I was researching the Joetisserie. Cannot wait to put it to use and show you my learnings over a course of time. So that is kind of an inside look on the Joetisserie. All right guys, a few details about the Joetisserie I wanted to bring to your attention. This can spin up to 40 pounds worth of meat, which is plenty. And then this is also stainless steel, and that rod and the spits are dishwash safe. And then to clean the base, all you got to do is warm water and soap to keep this base clean over time. So those are a few little things that I want to make sure you were informed on. Hey guys, thank you for watching this unboxing and assembly of the Joetisserie. I hope it was helpful, give you an inside look of what it's going to look like to cook some food on this thing. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also what you think would be great for me to cook on the Joetisserie. So remember, less hate, more love, good barbecue, and we'll see you next time.